matlab here you can write m times of m term is equal to n times of nth term. So ma plus plus m minus 1 into md, right, is equal to nm n minus 1 into dn. ठीक है. अब इसको क्या करो, क्या निकालना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड m m plus n term. Okay. तो a m minus a n is equal to n square minus dn minus, नहीं n है ना, n तो नजर पे गया. This is dn square, this is dn square, this is dn square minus dn minus m square d plus md, right? So a you have taken as a common, so it is m minus n is equal to so d n square minus dm square plus md minus dn. So a is a upon m minus n is equal to, you take here d bracket and you take minus 1 here as a common, minus as a common, so it becomes d is equal to m minus m into m plus n plus you get d bracket m minus n, right? So this m minus n, m minus n and this m minus n is cancelled out. So you get a is equal to d minus d bracket m plus n, right? So now we have a m term, a m plus n term is equal to a plus m plus n minus 1 into d. What is the value of a?
D minus.
That is equal to d minus d bracket m plus n minus 1, no, plus plus m plus n minus 1 into d, like this. Huh? So what happened? A m plus n is equal to d minus d bracket m plus n plus d bracket m plus n minus d. ठीक है, तो क्या हुआ? This d and d is 0 and minus dmn plus dmn is 0. So what is your answer? A. What is the answer? Mth term is 0. What answer is given you?
0.
It means I am correct. So this whole exercise, यहाँ पे we have to apply a trick here. What I did when I interchange ना, तो dn square minus dn, then this when I am bringing it md square minus 1 here ना, तो here I take minus d common, तो ये m स्क्वायर इधर आ गया n माइनस में चला गया, देन फिर हमारा फॉर्मेट एक हो गया, तो फिर हमने इसको ऐसे सॉल्व कर लिया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ट्रिक है, दैट्स व्हाई माइनस डी इज हियर, राइट? So I hope you understand. Okay. What next you have? What do you want?